GBA meeting
ನಾನು ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡು ಸುರೇಶ್.
ಸರ್, ಇವತ್ತು GBA ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಲಹೆಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಉದ್ಯಮಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಲಹೆಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್?
So I think this was a review meeting by the Chief Secretary of major GBA works, primarily focused on the roads. Bangalore the pothole discussion only happening. Actually, there is a lot of good work happening, and that good work is not being highlighted, and we are getting only the negative news. Important point is to understand what is not happening and also what is happening. So today we discussed all the major high density corridors, white topping roads, also the coordination issue. And the most important thing which I think media should highlight is dividing into 5 different GBA corporations. I think is the game changer for Bangalore. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ feeling very proud of their area. South is telling, okay, I am doing this. East is telling, I am doing this. Now citizens can go to their respective GBA commissioners and talk. Otherwise, everything was in NR Square, in BBMP headquarters. I think the best decision government of Karnataka took was making these 5 divisions. Of course, it is just 1 month. Everybody is trying to understand, but all commissioners know their roads. Earlier, one BBMP commissioner will not know even the main roads. So having this decentralization is going to show its impact. Also, there are ongoing projects. There was no monitoring happening with the dashboard. So I have suggested that please every project which is part of the 694 crore major road project should be monitored. Chief Secretary also issued one new app in which is a contract management system. A system that from procurement, tender to procurement to monitoring, no payment will be made to any contractor unless the progress is reported in that system. Strict instruction has been given. So I think there was a major thrust on quality, timeliness, and also accountability. And I think we will see good results. We have decided October month, it is where the government is going to lead the way by doing what they have to do. They will fix all the roads. It will be made motorable, which is not just the potholes. Some roads also need asphalting. The pothole is where there is potholes, but there is no road only. That also is going to be done. October month is the government responsibility. Then we will talk about public responsibility. My street, my responsibility. I will not put the garbage on the street. I will report any violation. Then third month, which is the December month, we are doing the corporates. Bangalore has around 25 lakh IT employees on one road between Hebbal to Idlur. All are IT companies. Bangalore is the richest city in the country. Everybody can afford a car. If the 25 lakh people on this ORR take all their cars, there will be always a jam. Doesn't matter how good the road is. So corporate has also do the carpooling. So we are thinking of creating a congestion charge. So if you enter the ORR, if you are only one person in the car, you have to pay money, which will be automatically deducted from FASTag. But if you are 2 or more, carpooling, and carpooling is not you have to share the money, you have to share the car. So if you are 2 people, you will not be charged. Because not only we have to create infrastructure, we will also reduce the demand. Because every month, 1 lakh vehicles are being registered. Out of it, 82% are two-wheelers, remaining are other vehicles. So while we provide the roads, we cannot provide unlimited roads. The public also needs to understand. So many such ideas were discussssed, orders were passed, committees were made. B Smile has taken big projects. As a director of the B Smile, I have given certain suggestions. We will be doing the monitoring. All major projects like high density corridor, white topping has gone to B Smile. All these major roads, which are 694 crore project, all are gone to the corporations. Everything is being monitored, and we will see that by the October-November month, we should see good improvement. Rains also are creating a problem because you cannot build a road when the rain is happening. And the biggest problem was shown during the rain. Filling the pothole in the rain, again the pothole will come. So we are doing cold mix and we are filling. Media also, I think, your job is to show the problems, which you are doing very well. And I think Chief Minister has taken the note, Chief Secretary has taken the note, DCM is involved. So I think we'll see positive movement in a month or two.
In a deadline, time and here, sir, have to finish the count.
Yes. This is the one idea. For that we have talked to NHAI, put the those automatic collection. Traffic will say where all we can put, which roads we can put. So that is the plan. Today the idea was mooted. Now and we will need to bring some GO, but this is needed. Once we make good roads, we also need to make sure that everybody doesn't bring their car out. This is a demand management. The date is not fixed, but this is a very good idea. London does it, Singapore does it. We are the fastest growing city in the world. We also have to do it. Otherwise, but Bangalore is very rich. Everybody can afford a car. But if everybody brings a car on the road, there will be no road. Only on the key roads, for example, Outer Ring Road, and maybe some high density corridors, Airport Road, and not on all the roads. Not practical also. But we want to make sure that the roads where people commute every day, like Electronic City Road. So we will see. This is an idea. Everybody appreciates it.
Sir, ಈಗ ರೋಡ್ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಕೇಜ್ರಿವಾಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾರ್ ಪೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್
No, I don't know what Arvind Kejriwal did. It is the carpool. Arvind Kejriwal's problem was very different. It was a pollution issue and odd number, even number. That was crisis management. Here we are talking systemic change. We are talking encouraging people. If you are from same building, 20 people are taking cars. And if you are going to a similar office, the same office, if you don't want to do it, don't do it. There will be extra charge. So some demand management. While we are fixing supply side, we will also try to fix. That's one idea. The other idea is essentially campuses. 2 campuses are not connected. Chief Minister has already written to Wipro that please give one space so that we can connect. 5 kilometers becomes 1 kilometer. So those are the kind of ideas we also have to think, because we cannot make new roads. Space is already limited. Metro, of course, ORR Metro is very key, because that ORR Metro will serve around 15 lakh people who come to commute on that road. I think ORR Metro, the moment it comes, you will see huge improvement, which we have requested MD BMRCL to expedite ORR Metro. We will be doing the review of the ORR Metro also.
ಈಗ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹಣ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆದಂತಹ ಟಾರು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಂದರೂ ಇದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ, ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗುಂಡಿ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಕೋಟಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಮೇಡಮ್. ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. ವೆದರ್, ಅದು ಮಳೆ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. The tar quality VG30 is required. We do not use VG30. Correct? Also, 2 refineries, MRPL and IPCL, make good quality tar, but we do not buy from them. So today it has been mandated that every corporation commissioner will ensure that we use VG30 tar, and it comes from these 2 refineries. Otherwise, what happens? Our contractor will go and buy from third-rate refinery cheaper. It will be 20,000 per ton less.
cost will be very increasing price.
There is no cost increase. They are not following the standard. Cost is already in the tender. They are buying the cheap tar, lower quality tar. Now, if we mandate it and we do quality check, so Madam also said that every corporation will have one superintendent engineer doing quality check. And if that is not enough, one PWD superintendent engineer has been told to do the quality check. So not only, that's why what happens, we make road today, tomorrow it is gone. Now that is the problem of Bangalore. If you go to any other city, generally you can see the difference in tar quality. So this is something which I have already highlighted to Madam, and this was done 3-4 days ago. Already order has been passed that you have to use that high quality VG30 tar. Please highlight this. because this message should go to the contractor, this message should go to supplier, that if you use poor quality tar, you will be caught.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you use good quality tar, use proper thickness, 40 mm and proper grade mix, road will last longer. Every city road lasts long. Only in Bangalore, because we have not done this quality check. We check temperature, we check viscosity, but we will not check the actual tar VG30 and from where it was bought.
ಸರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ನಿಲ್ಲೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಚರಂಡಿ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ.
I think when we fix the pothole, we are not fixing the reason for the pothole. The reason is waterlogging. Whenever the rain is there, so police has given 177 locations. 170 locations alli waterlogging ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Whenever there is a rain, those locations only we get the potholes, plus additional also little bit. So that also pothole filling plus drain cleaning combined ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. After we combine both, so otherwise the same location pothole keeps coming. So that also was discussed today.
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಕಳಪೆ ವಿಜಯದತ್ತಿಗೆ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಂಥ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ
So
continue ಆಗಿದೆ.
yes, today there is no check. Once we make mandatory, ಆಮೇಲೆ check ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And if the check anybody is found, of course they will be blacklisted. Today she said anybody not doing. Chief Minister also said, if one contractor is found bad quality, he will be blacklisted, no payment. I think commissioner have been told today. I think every commissioner felt I have power. And if you feel power and you are monitored, you will do good job. So my belief is this will work. You guys will tell us whether it's working or not. We'll know in 2-3 months, we'll see how it is.
ಮೊದಲು ಇದ್ರು, ಈಗಿನ ಚೀಫ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್
ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿಯಪ್ಪ
ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ